Unit 1 Physical Quantities and Measurements. Measurements are not confined to science, they are part of our life. They play an important role to describe and understand the physical world. Over the centuries, man has improved the methods of measurements. In this unit, we will study some of physical quantities and a few useful measuring instruments. We will also learn the measuring technique that enables us to measure various quantities accurately. 1.1 Introduction to Physics. In the 19th century, physical sciences were divided into 5 distinct disciplines: physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology, and meteorology. The most fundamental of these in the physics. In physics, we will study matter, energy, and their interaction. The laws of principle of physics help us to understand nature. Physics and science. Physics is the most fundamental of all sciences. In order to study biology, chemistry, or any other natural science, one should have a firm understanding of the principles of physics. For example, biology uses the physics principles of fluid movement to understand how the blood flows through the heart, arteries, and veins. Chemistry relies on the physics of subatomic particles to understand why chemical reactions take place. Physics and technology. A. The robot is a machine that is designed to do tasks without the help of a person. B. Space shuttle being launched into the space with a rocket. Physics and technology. What are the technological devices that we use on a regular basis? Computers, smartphones, MP3 players, and internet comes to our mind. What are technologies that you have only heard of? Rockets and space shuttles, magnetically levitating trains, and microscopic robots that fight cancer cells in our bodies. All of these technologies, whether commonplace or exciting, are based on the principles of physics. Physics is behind every technology and plays a key role in further development of these technologies such as airplanes, computers, PET scans, and nuclear weathers. 1.1 Branches of Physics. Physics is vast and therefore further subdividing in many other branches. There are branches of physics are increasing as the technology is progressing. However, the major branches of physics include mechanics, optics, oscillations and waves, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, astrophysics, quantum physics, atomic physics, and nuclear physics. Physics, oscillation and waves, thermodynamics, mechanics, quantum physics, optics, electromagnetism, relativity, atomic and nuclear physics. The cubit was, did you know? The cubit was the measurement of unit used by Egyptians to build the pyramid. The cubit is the measure of your elbow to the tip of your middle finger when your palm is extended. Physics has strong connection with mathematics. To understand the nature of physics, we use mathematics as a tool. Therefore, learning physics requires mathematical knowledge. 1.2 Physical and non-physical quantities. Physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured, whereas non-physical quantities are those quantities which cannot be measured. Quantities like length, mass, time, density, temperature can be defined and measured. Therefore, they are termed physical quantities, while taste, feeling, and color cannot be measured, so they are non-physical quantities. Point 2 ponder. Point to ponder measurement is a comparison between an unknown physical quantity like length, mass and time etc. and standard to see how large or small it is compared to that standard. Unit is a standard with which physical quantities are compared. Measurement of a physical quantity consists of numerical magnitude number representing the size and the quantity and unit in which is measured. For example, if the length of a person is 1.6 meters, 5 foot and 5 inches, 1.6 meters is a numerical value and meter is the unit as shown in figure 1.2. This is figure 1.2 length and measurement. Numerical value 1.65 meters unit. To record a measurement, an appropriate unit is chosen and the size of quantity is then found with an instrument having a proper scale line measuring tape. 1.2.1 Base and derived physical quantities. Base of fundamental physical quantities like mass, length and time are selected as the simplest form of physical quantities such that all other physical quantities can be derived from them. The physical quantity obtained by multiplying or dividing base physical quantities are termed as the derived physical quantities like area, force and energy. 1.T International System of Units. A complete set of units for all physical quantities called system of units. The International System of Units is termed as System International, abbreviated as SI, a short form of the French name System International Units, which means International System Units. Thank you. Units.